cat. Gibbon. Rabbit. Sheep. Bear. Chicken. Cow. Bear. Cheetah. The Pomeranian, scientifically recognized as Canis lupus familiaris pomeranian, is a distinctive domesticated canine breed that stands out among other animals. Its small size and abundant, fluffy double coat give it a unique and charming appearance. What truly distinguishes Pomeranians is their exuberant personality, embody an energetic and vivacious spirit. Originating from the Pomerania region, these diminutive dogs have transitioned from their historical role as sled dogs to cherished companions, captivating those who appreciate their bite-sized, big-hearted charm. With their lively character and endearing looks, Pomeranians hold a special place among domesticated animals, bringing joy and affection to those fortunate enough to share their lives with these delightful canines.